For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink.
아, 이게 땅인 줄 알았는데 그거네.
What?
밑에.
아, 땅인 줄 알았는데 그거라고?
그게 뭔데 그래?
The sky turns gray against a fiery display of red and golden hues, like the day I fell for you. So what will you do when the sun begins to fall? I'm waiting here for you. Won't you answer my call? Don't you wanna get cozy with me? We'll dive into a reverie. Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da. The wind, it chills you right to the bone, and soon we'll say hello to evening snow.
다음날에 먹으면 맛있는데. 널 그리는
I tried to write you a song that no one's ever heard before. Wrote lines and words of our love, but somehow it needed more.
어제도 가고 오늘도 가?
We'll be here for summer, then we're gone. We'll be here for sunrise, then we'll fly.
여기 너무 이쁘지?
How much time do you reckon we have left to say the words unsaid? And how many days would you say that you... We could drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue, I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love.
뭐야? 나와 이제. 발 잘 들어.
나 잘하지.
어.
오, 새 들어간다.
들어가?
And the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink, we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling.